Morning.
Morning.
Today we will
I'll
discuss
class 11
class
maths,
11 maths binomial theorem. First, we will select
we'll
some
discuss
examples.
1-2 examples.
Then
Let's
we will
start.
discuss on it. Let's start. So, first sum, if we select like this, find the coefficient. First sum like this, find the sixth term. Find the sixth term
in the
expansion
x minus 1 by 2x.
in the expansion x minus 1 by 2x whole to the power 10.
For this we need to know.
First, for this we
General
have to
term.
know the formula for general term. General term formula is
TR plus
NCR
1 equals to
a to the power n minus r b to the power r. We write this as
now here
TR plus 1
in this
term
sum is how much?
r plus
x
1.
minus 1 by 2x.
Then in this sum
here is
x minus 1 by 2x whole to the power 10, a equals to x, b equals to minus 1 by 2x, and n equals to 10. So we can apply this for finding sixth term T6. T6 we can write as T5 plus 1.
We can write 6 as 5 plus 1.
To write it as like TR plus 1. Now if we put n value 10 C 5, r value is 5, 10 C5, a is x to the power 10 minus 5, and b minus 1 by 2x whole power 5. So now if we simplify 10 C5 x to the power 5 into minus 1 by 2 to the power 5 x to the power 5. X to the power 5 would get cancelled out. So answer will be minus 10 C5 by 2 to the power 5 means 32. So this would be answer. 10 C5 very big number, so we don't simplify. So answer 32 minus 10 C5
now
32. This type another sum if we get
given sixth
where
term
it is
from
told
the
find
end.
the sixth term from the end.
Then how do you do?
This sum was given sixth term, that means from the beginning we are finding. If this time given sixth term from the end.
In the expansion x minus 1 by 2x whole to the power
X minus 1 by x
11.
whole to the power and x minus 1 by 2x whole to the power 11.
Here when power is 11,
As
number
here
of terms
power given 11, number of terms 11 plus 1
11 plus 1 12.
Now
sixth term from the end.
when sixth term from the end, that is
from
which
the
term from the
end.
beginning, that we have to find first. So sixth term from the end equals to
That is which term
11
from the
plus
beginning,
1
that we have to find out. That will be 11 plus
minus
1
6 minus 1.
number of terms minus
So
which
sixth
term we have
term
to
we are
find.
finding,
That
so 6
1.
minus
6
1.
minus 1.
For this we have to know
Here
one
rule is
Rule is when we have to
n
find
plus 1
r
is
term from
n
the
is power
end.
for n plus b whole
We
to
have
the
to
power
do
n. If n is power n plus 1 minus
n plus 1 if power is
minus 1.
n plus 1
Or
minus r minus 1.
term
If we
from
have to
the
find r term from the end, that will be n plus 1 minus r minus 1 th term from
So
the
that way
beginning.
it is
So here
coming
11 plus 1
12
12
minus 5
minus 6 minus 1 is 5, 12 minus
th
5,
term
this th term, that means 12 minus 5 th term,
This
7th
seventh
term
term.
from the beginning. So 6th term from the end
From the
will be 7th term from the beginning.
7th term from the beginning.
Now rule wise, rule we have to remember
this
n plus
th
1
term
minus r minus 1 th term
from
if
the
in expansion a plus b whole to the power n.
beginning.
R term from the end means n plus 1 minus r minus
Now
1
7th term from the beginning when we
Now
got,
we have to find
then we can
7th
find
term.
the term.
Seventh term means T7.
We know the rule.
That we can write
NC
T6 plus 1.
R,
So formula will follow
e to the power
NCR,
n
a to the power
minus
n minus r, b to the power r.
This is the formula.
That way here in this case power
Here,
is 11. So it will be
n
11
is- in this sum,
C6
n is
because
11
7 we can write
R
T6
is
plus 1.
6
Here n is 11
because
r equals to
is
6
7.
because 7
So
we are writing
take
6
R
plus
as
1.
6. A and B.
A is given x and B
So we
is
can write
minus 1 by 2x.
in
So that way,
11
if we write 11 C 6
x
into x to the power 11 minus
minus
6 into minus 1 by 2x whole to the power
1 by 2x whole to the power
6.
6. So,
So
this
now if we simplify,
we'll get
we'll get the
term.
required
Now,
term.
if we go to another type sum,
Now, if we go to another type sum, finding coefficient of a particular term,
coefficient
like find the coefficient of
of x square in the expansion x
find the
minus 1
coefficient
by
of
x
x square
whole to the power
in
15.
particular expansion x minus 1 by x whole to the power 15. How to approach for this term? When
Now,
particular
for
term
this
is
term,
given, we know
how
which
to
term,
do?
but here
Like,
term is not known. Which term containing x square, we don't know.
Term.
So that's
So
why
let
we have to let that term. Let the term be n plus 1 term. Sorry, r plus 1 term. Let the term be r plus 1 term. So
X
we
square
know r plus 1
term
term.
We don't, that's why we have to let it.
Now contain that
TR
x
plus
square.
1.
That way we are
Formula we
finding.
know.
So
NCR
TR plus 1, R
minus
plus
R
1 term we
divided
can
by R.
find. Formula wise it is
That way
NCR
here
into A to the power n minus R into B to the power.
x
Here
minus 1
n
by
is
x whole to
15.
the power 15. Here
A is x. B is minus 1 by x.
X.
So that way, if we apply this for TR plus 1, R plus 1 term, then it will be 15 CR into x to the power 15 minus R into minus 1 by x whole to the power R.
If we simplify this,
R plus 1 term. Now if we simplify 15 CR x to the power 15 minus R into minus 1 to the power R by x to the power R. And x division is there, so power will get subtracted. 15 CR x to the power 15 minus R into minus 1 to the power R. 15 CR x to the power 15 minus 2R into minus 1 to the power R. These we got the R plus 1 term. Now according to question, this term will contain x square. So x square, that power, and here x,
so
this power 15 minus 2r, this should be comparable.
2 equals to 15 minus
2 equals to 15 minus 2r. If we
if I bring to this side,
then we can get
2r
value. 2r equals to 15 minus 2. So r equals to 2r equals to 13, r equals to 13 by 2, which is a fraction.
So not possible.
Fraction, number of terms cannot be fraction.
That
So
means there is
it is not possible. So there is no term
no such term
which contain x square in this expansion. If r value
in this
come
expansion. There is
natural
no
number,
term
then
containing
we have to proceed. Then we will find that term, and r value, if we get natural number, we will put that in
x square.
last
So
expansion.
now we will go to another type
That
sum.
15 CR into x to the power 15 minus 2r into minus 1 to the power r. There we will put r value if r would come natural number. Here not coming, so we will proceed to next term. Another type sum, when given, find the coefficient of x square. Find the coefficient of x square in the expansion 1
in
minus x
1
plus 2x square
plus 2x square into 1 plus x whole to the power 10 in this. Now in previous
1
case, when
plus
only
x whole to the
1
power 10.
1 plus x to the power
Only
10.
if 1 plus x whole to the power 10 given,
X square
then we know a coefficient of x square will be
2 1 to the power
means
10
the term
minus
will be
2
10c2
directly
1 to the power 10 minus 2
But
x
here
square.
we
Directly
will
we
get
can write the
here
term.
more than
But
one terms
when
will give that.
it is two different expansion given,
That's
then
why we have to
there
find
will be
the
not a
different
single
term.
term. There will be more than one terms. So
Containing
how to find that? We'll, as it is more than one terms, we will find the terms containing x square.
1 into
So
the
1
term
into
containing here, that one.
which term contains
1 into
x square
terms
in that
term
1 plus
contains
x whole to the power 10, that we will find. So 1 into term containing x square in 1 plus x whole to the power 10
here
in
which
this
term
expansion.
containing x square.
Now
that
plus
will be
second term plus minus x into term contains x in that expansion 1 plus x whole to the power 10. Why x? Because first x minus x into x, these will give x square. So we'll get the term x containing x square.
1 plus
That's
x
why
whole to
from
2
second expansion we have to find
plus
x
2x
containing
square
term. Now
into
2x square
term
plus 2x square
independent
into
of x.
which term? Where x is not required. Because 2x square
Why?
into
Because it is
something
already
means
x square, so we
that
have
will
to
give x square
write
term. So
the
2x square
term
into x independent term or constant term. That will give the term containing x square.
Now here,
so we
one
get these
into-
three terms.
in this
Now we
series,
have to
which
get
term
all the
containing x
terms
squares?
one by one.
10
1 into
C2
term
1
containing
to
x
the
square in x 1 plus x whole
1
to the
power
10 we
10
know
minus
this is 10c2 into
x square.
x square. 1 power will be 10 minus 2
x
but
into
1 into 1
term
power anything is
contains
1.
x. In this
Now
series,
minus
which one
x into
contains
term
x?
containing x, that will be
10c1
10c1
to the power
x to
10
the power
minus
1
1 into x.
plus 2x
In
square.
this,
This term
then
independent
2x
of x,
square
that is first term 1 to the
into
power 10.
here which one constant?
First term is
First
only
term,
constant term
1
p
to
of
the
x.
10.
Now,
So now if we calculate,
simplify,
it is 10c2 x
then
square
it will come to 10c2
minus
x square
into x
minus
square
x square x into x x square 10c1 plus 2x square into
now
1
if
means
we take
2x
x square
square.
common, it is coming 10c2
Now if we take x square common,
minus
it's coming 10c2 minus
plus
10c1 plus 2.
So now
So
we have to simplify this.
coefficient of
Only
x square
that means
is
coefficient
coming
therefore the coefficient
10c2 minus 10c1 plus 2.
of x square
This value we can
coming this
simplify
one.
and get.
10c2
So this way we have to do
minus
this type of sums.
10c1
If
plus
you have any
2.
doubt, you
If we
can ask
simplify
me.
this will
or
be the
you can
value.
send any